Hey class, my name is Rashid Roshan, and you can call me Rashid. Uh, I live on the here on the West Coast. I live in Los Angeles, California. Um, this is my first experience really studying spirituality in a classroom setting. I had never really considered the spirituality of my client in work aside from a 12-step program. Which which is obviously a wonderful and important part of a 12-step program. So aside from like Alcoholics Anonymous, I never thought spirituality plays a very, very big role in in social work or the field of psychology in general. However, I am really interested in learning how, like as a worker, I can better understand people's differences in spirituality from mine, and how their spirituality affects their personal life and their families as well. Um, I definitely have some good thoughts by using my knowledge of spirituality in my future work. Obviously, everybody comes from a different background and different religion. Um, as they teach in AA, everybody does have a higher power. I do believe that. I don't believe for everyone. Obviously, everyone has their own higher power, and it's completely subject to interpretation. Um, but that's my thoughts about just having spirituality tie into our field of mental health. And personally, yeah, I mean, with my own spirituality, yeah, I do believe in God. I do believe God is watching me, so that kind of influences my thinking and my actions as well. That's about all I have today. Thank you for listening.